Vargas. Got another run on the Fathom and on the black and gold gator. You see the run right there. Gonna let him straighten up my line a little bit. Kinda fucked up. Always hauling that. Oh shit.
Oh shit, I zoomed in on it.
Single hook.
What's that going now, guys?
I'm sleepy. I'm tired. Almost time to go home. Oh, and yeah, I said that and it stopped. Look. It's a pretty good chunk on there, though.
Barty says, I'm older than you and we're staying till the morning.
Hell nah.
No, he didn't say that.
Young man.
Oh shit, young man. Oh shit. Still going?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh, look at that gold, guys. I hear a pull of the drag from you. Manny, you want to hold this? So I can get the rods and stuff. That one's more to the white.
Fucking up our bait. Yeah, I got a rod too. That'll be the boat. See, fucking hit the boat. He hit the motor.
I gotta run too. Oh, fuck. Hector, I gotta run. Fuck, I'm gonna have to get him. Just bring him this way, I get him.
Hold on.
Yeah. He's a feisty one. I gotta run, guys. Frost X, I'm in his team are locals. I gotta run too. While he got the fish. We're gonna do this. Real local style.
He's just going in circles.
I thought it was with the cat. Have you seen him?
Yeah, I saw his tail. Oh shit.
Was he big or what?
Fuck, he's dragging me. Look.
Oh, he's a nice.
That line right there. That green line.
Oh, he went over this one. Damn,
He just he went over that other line too.
Oh my god. Damn. This is bad,
That's why we
guys.
gotta bring in the lines. He's gonna tame up all this shit. Hold on.
I'll put mine down, guys. I'll tell Hector real quick. You gotta shine this like this one, man, for me. This one?
But that orange one.
Yeah, I'll get it. I'll get all this out.
Still running over there.
Yep. Here you go. Like a 6-footer. He looked pretty good. Wasn't that great, but he was long.
I think the red one's gonna get tangled.
That's first mix.
We jump. Just watching Casey. That's yours.
Right here. So to get through that.
I gotta move my rod and everything.
Yeah, I'll move it right now. I can drag him in here soon. Shawn Mendes, guys, back on the run. Hector hookup, that's a nice one. That's over probably at 6. Look at the head on that fucking.
We got one running over here. We got one hooked up.
Which one is this one? Gonna get him, guys. Gonna get him.
You got him?
We gotta move this one.
Yeah, no, I got more jumping on the rock. Oh, shit.
He's still on, I feel it.
I unclipped him over here.
You unclip him? Cool.
He's unclipped.
I need to go this way.
Oh.
Fucking turtle.
Nah.
Yeah, I swear to God. Boy, he's just shaking like that.
He's shaking. He might be gar. It's shaking. We can always grab that other.
Yeah.
That other pole catcher. And I can wrap this around.
Damn it.
Going that way?
Yeah, I'm gonna get him out of here. Out of this room.
It is? Oh, you got your red line all tangled too. Ah. What do we do with the pliers? You didn't get them back to me?
Put them back in the
Oh,
sand.
yeah.
So I can help you
I'll
with
grab
yours.
this. I got it. We got turtle soup right there. We can get some turtle soup.
Man.
Tangled up all that. It might come loose. We got the other guys right here.
Just wrapping. Fucking self. You stupid dumbass fucking turtle. Always fucking follows with here.
Oh, he's off. Just unclip your leader and it'll probably come all untangled. You're stepping on the bait. We just gotta get this other gar out, unhooked before he gets a second wind. We'll get that in a minute. Let's just get him. You got those needle nose, right? You left them over there. He's tied right there, so we can unclip him there. He can just go in. We don't even have to.
No, I want to measure that one.
You want to measure him?
Yeah, hell yeah, he's big. You'll see when you get him on the phone. Ooh, all these rods go first.
tied up. It is morning.
We're right.
So we're gonna stay till the morning. Shit, it already is morning.
Hell yeah. Good shit right here.
It's just wrapped around.
Just wrap it.
Just around there. Just watch it, because if he starts head shaking, that treble hook's on the side. You know what I mean? You don't want to get your leg hooked. If he comes in.
See, look at him.
Oh yeah, he's pretty fat.
Fucking big. Ah. Got it.
Hold on, let me lean on this side. Let me lean on this side. Watch your phone. Watch your phone. Let me lean this side.
Where's the phone at?
It's right there. Right there.
Where?
Right there.
His phone?
Yeah.
No, that's not it. He's going that way. I don't know where it is.
It didn't fall me. Somewhere here.
I got it.
You got it?
Let me get it in the dry.
It's fine.
That was badass.
We're gonna need those needle nose. They're over here. Right here, next to me. They're right here next to me.
Okay. Where's right there?
Right here.
Is that right there? Can you grab him?
Right here, behind me.
Little light at. I didn't drop it.
Yeah, watch it. He's pissed.
Oh, you have to cut it.
No, it's got two. One's inside. You just hold on to that rope in case he starts bouncing around.
It's still live.
It's still live.
Yeah, freaking Shawn pushing people and shit.
It's not funny, bro. Why you laughing, bro? Don't make matters worse.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, that would have been fucking badass.
That's not funny. Where's the pliers at, bro?
Just open it up and see if we can get him out. That one you can slide it out. You can slide from the top. It's just that he has the end of the thing in his mouth.
Your feet didn't touch the water? I mean the ground?
No, I didn't let him.
No.
He went straight back and came up and I grabbed him. Oh man. That's crazy.
Watch that hook. That's a sharp ass hook. Watch it. He's still feisty. He's at least 6 foot, 6 something.
You have the measuring tape?
Yeah. I can't hold the light in there. Hold on, I'll just put it right here. There we go. The measuring tape is right here.
It was over the ice chest, right?
Yeah, that's what happened last time. Watch in case he starts to wiggle. He is 69. Whatever 69 is.
3, 5, 10.
He's trying to bite you. You hear that snap? He said, "Why are you grabbing my head?" He's just fat. Don't let him come back here. Fuck that fish.
Oh my god. Did they kill man do that?
Where's those other pliers? You had 2 sets.
Yeah. Shine the light in here, brother.
If not, we can cut it.
Yeah, no, I'm just trying to see.
How bad is it?
It's like fucking right there, look.
Yeah, it would have been easier.
Yeah.
Come on.
If we had the tool,
Yeah.
you can't take it off with them pliers.
No, it's in there.
Hey, he's opening his throat. It would have been fucking awesome.
He was strong, I tell you that much. He was turning the boat and everything.
Alright, let me get those cutters. I'll try to cut it.
You gonna cut it?
I don't think I can get it.
Don't be scared.
It's right.
Try to see if you can grab them with the cutters, because they're longer. Maybe you can grab that hook.
Fuck. I need help.
You want to pull this up?
Yeah.
Let me choke it down. Yeah, get it so I can choke it down.
Just watch in case he starts bouncing around and shit.
I just hate it because his fucking bottom jaw is short.
Don't be making fun of him, poor dude. He's probably grew up like that with the short.
I wish I had like a little sheet thingy.
You think you just get in there and twist it?
Want me to cut it low?
If you can, if you can get it out, get it out. If not, just cut it. We don't hurt him.
I cut it right at the bottom.
Yeah, that way. Yeah, he'll be good.
At least he has a bait in there. You want me to try to pull that bait out? You think it'll choke him?
Nah, he's gonna chew on that bait and swallow it.
I think you should get a picture with him.
I ain't getting no picture with that fish. Like I said, fuck that fish. FTF.
Alright. Is it still live?
Yeah, we still live.
Oh my God.
We got, I don't know how many people we got watching, but it's still live. Marty said they're staying all night till the morning.
I already know. They do that shit all the time.
They're bumping that real locos. Think I got a bite.
This fish guy. Yeah.
You got the light. Hold on.
Look at the head on that thing, guys.
Big old fucker.
Big old fat motherfucker. Woo. Put him back in the water. Heavy.
Alright, he's gone.
Bro, y'all missed everything. I can't believe it still stayed on live. They heard everything we said. You ready, Hector?
I'm trying to finish this shit.